If you're a heating air conditioning technician or even a salesperson, how do you extract gold from a ride-along, and why does this matter? This is a super important question. I'm Scott Sylvan Bell, coming to you live from Lotus, California, on a perfect day to talk about sales and a perfect day to talk about you. I am in gold country, and then when I say that, gold was discovered here in Northern California, like 6 miles from here, from James W. Marshall. So like, I truly am coming to you from an area that has gold involved. And so here's what happens is you have somebody come ride with you, you go ride with somebody else, and part of this process is gaining insights. What happened? What did you say? Why did you say it? How did you say it? And riding shotgun, you're allowed to see different types of interactions. And so the gold for you is after the call is taken, after the appointment is done, for the sales call or for the tech call or for the tune-up, right? And what I see is, like, a lot of times technicians and even salespeople don't understand the amount of content that they could ask questions about and gain insights or explain what happened. And this is why you can read HVAC Tech Secrets. I'll give you the goods, not in the Facebook group, not in the YouTube channel. So the after the appointment conversation is one of those things that, like, most people don't take time to make notes. Like, hey, I saw you ask this question, or when you were working on the equipment, you did a walkthrough like this, or as you were up in the attic, you brought the homeowner with you, or if you were in the sub area, you bought the homeowner. Why did you do all of that? Oh, well, I did that because now I have more engagement. Or we got to the end and the person said, I want to think about it, and you glossed over it and you just tried to close again, right? There's a lot of different ways for you to do deals, and not all of them are exactly the same. My version of sales may not be your version of sales. We may have two completely different styles, but you have the complete ability to learn from me and watch what I'm doing. So if by chance you get the opportunity to do a ride along, right? You got a ride along going on, somebody's riding with you, you're riding with them. You should absolutely bring a journal. You should pull over, you should debrief. Hey, what did you see? Hey, why did you do this? Can you give me a couple of ideas of why this happened? Or if you lost the deal, why do you think the deal got lost? You know, that back and forth is very, very valuable. That back and forth is one of the things that so many people overlook, and it is so important. I want to underscore, you do a ride along, it's not just the preparation before, it's the conversations after that really matter. There you go. You got one of two things to do from here. Just one of two. Find the subscribe button, click on it. Every time I send a video, you'll get an update, or hit follow. So check this out, American River, right? This goes to Folsom Lake. I bet you if I grabbed a gold pan and, you know, figured out, I'd find some gold down here. We'll see you soon.